Story Corner. Today, I have a special... I'm sorry. We get our lives.
Did you get the giggles?
I don't know. Okay. Okay. I think I'm ready. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Murray, stop it. Murray, if we're gonna do this, you have to stop laughing. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shira's Story Corner.
False start.
If you haven't sneezed, none of this would have happened. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shira's Story Corner. Stop it! You suffer the consequences. Okay, ready? Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay, get your giggles out. I said get your giggles out. Hurry up.
So just do your thing.
What?
Just say the thing.
Okay, she's okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shira's Story Corner. Today we have a special toy guest here, Zoe the Zebra. Say hi. Hi. Oh, it's so nice to meet you, Zoe. Today, me and Murray will be reading Little Taco Truck by Tanya Valentine and Jorge Martin. Little Taco Truck. In a busy corner of the big city, new buildings began to rise. And each day, Little Taco Truck loved serving up tasty tacos to the hungry workers on Union Street. But one day, when Little Taco Truck arrived, he was surprised to see another truck parked in his spot. Hola, Mrs. Little Taco Truck tried to sound out the words on the side of the other truck. Falafel, she said, smiling. Are you lost? He asked. Oh, no, Miss Falafel said. I'm here to serve delicious falafel sandwiches. The smell of her fresh-baked pita bread and crunchy chickpea fritters floated through the air. Little Taco Truck's engine rumbled. He knew he should share the street, but what if people love falafel more than tacos, he worried. He secretly hoped Miss Falafel would find a street of her own the next day. But the next day, Miss Falafel was parked in his face again, and she had brought friends. Little Taco Truck crept down the street looking for a place to park. Get your gumbo, whooped Jumbo Gumbo. Gumbo, Little Taco Truck shouted. Of course, Jumbo Gumbo said. Only a big truck like me can handle the big flavor of spiced Cajun seafood stew. Little Taco Truck's tires sagged. How will people even see a little truck like me next to all these big trucks, he worried. If you need a place to park, Jumbo Gumbo shouted, look behind Annie. Little Taco Truck inched up the street toward a brand new, bright yellow truck. Are you Annie? He asked. Annie Arepas, she said, sparkling in the sunlight. Everyone loves my warm cornbread sandwiches. Little Taco Truck sighed. What if no one notices me next to a shiny new truck like Annie? The next day, even more trucks lined on Union Street. Little Taco Truck tried to squeeze into the last tiny space when... Ouch! A big pink truck shouted. I'm sorry, Little Taco Truck said. The street is so crowded with falafel and gumbo and arepas and Hello Gelato, he read the side of the truck. Fantastico, Hello Gelato said. No, not fantastics, Little Taco Truck cried. Little Taco Truck swished his wipers to hide his tears as he drove away. On his way home, he hatched a plan. If I get to the city first, he thought, no one can take my parking spot. So in the dark of night, Little Taco Truck returned to the quiet city, parked in his favorite spot, and fell sound asleep. In the bright light of day, he was startled awake as the other trucks arrived. Working up his courage, the little taco truck blinked his lights, puffed up his tires, and said, "This is my spot!" "I'm sorry we didn't make room for you yesterday, little taco truck," said Miss Falafel. "Me too," said Annie. "We can fit if we squeeze. I can move my tables onto the sidewalk, and I can move my signs out of the way," Jumbo Gumbo shouted. Hello Gelato cheered when he arrived. "You found the perfect spot." "I did," little taco truck happily tooted his horn. "It was right here all along." And when Oodles of Noodles arrived the next day, they made room for her too. The end. Did you like that book, Zoe?
Yes.
What was your favorite part? Which one did you like the most? Did you like Little Taco Truck or Miss Falafel?
It's falafel.
Why
and
did you?
taco truck.
Do you like tacos or do you like gelato? What do you like better, Zoe?
Tacos.
Ooh, I like tacos too. Guess what? I have a cheesy joke for you. Have you heard the new quesadilla jokes? Never mind, it's too cheesy. Get it? Say bye, Zoe. Bye. See you next time at Shira's Story Corner. Bye.